Na Píobairí Uilleann established the PipeCraft instrument making training centre here in Clonshaugh in Dublin. We provide the training for the modules in uilleann pipe making and for flutes, whistle, harp and mandolin.
As I was learning to play the instrument, I was also just really interested in how the instrument worked. There's such a complex instrument to try and understand and learn about.
It involves leather work, a lot of woodwork. There's a certain degree of metal work involved as well. The reed making, I suppose, is another crucial element of the pipe making because the reed is the most crucial part of the instrument.
My name is Clara. I'm from Hamburg originally, and I heard about the course 3 years ago from Paul McGrattan, so that's why I moved countries. I came over to Dublin to do the flute making course with Hammy Hamilton.
I came on the course to learn basically how to operate in a workshop environment safely. So I was introduced to the safety procedures and was then instructed on the use of all the machines and the tooling and the lathes. And all the equipment was here available to us to do that.
The tutors down here have been amazing. Like, everyone's just been put on the same sort of starting ground. Some of us had done a bit of like engineering work, or some of us kind of come from that background where we equally had complete beginners.
In the first year I made a chanter and then a bag and a bellows, and in the second year then we moved on to the other components of a half set. And all the skills associated with turning down the wood, putting in the correct tone holes and the aesthetics then as well.
For students who undertake the training, there's a great opportunity to create a very rewarding and viable career.
The course that I'm doing is the Ceoltóir course in Ballyfermot, and that is a 2-year HND qualification. I'm finished the second year, and as a result you are allowed to progress if you want to into a BA in media production management is what I hope to go into.
For anyone aspiring to make a career in instrument making and to further progress their skills as an Irish traditional musician, I strongly recommend the course. It's really excellent, and we've great tutors and great mentors. The people are lovely too. It makes the learning environment a lot more enjoyable.
It's spurred on a new interest now, and it's going to give me a hobby and a job in retirement. I'd like to be able to teach and as well offer the service of making the reeds and helping the students get their equipment in order and maintaining the equipment and giving them the best chance they can to get started properly.
The facility is great, and the fact that we could access it once or twice a week even, and then during the actual tuition time as well, it was a great experience.
Personally, I just really enjoy it, and hopefully someday I might kind of do it full time, but I don't know yet.
Na Píobairí Uilleann have been working at this since its foundation in 1968, and we're delighted to partner with Ballyfermot College of Further Education in this initiative.